Sit down, please. Last time we studied how to multiply the polynomials with one variable, two variables, or three variables, or terms containing three terms, four terms, five terms, with the help of the sutra vertically and crosswise, that is urdhva tiryakbhyam. Same sutra is applicable when we want to multiply and add or subtract the polynomials simultaneously. What we do usually is, first we multiply two polynomials, then we multiply the another pair, then another pair, and then add or subtract. That is what we do in our usual practice. But this particular vertically crosswise sutra is enough powerful. Without even calculating the individual products, we can directly calculate their sums or differences, whatever necessary. Let us see by the examples. First example, our problem is find x plus 3 into 2x plus 5 plus 3x plus 1 into x plus 2. So multiplication of 2 plus multiplication of another two binomials. That is what is asked. We write the structure like this: x plus 3 multiplied by 2x plus 5, one below other, then plus sign, second pair, 3x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. This multiplication sign indicates that we will be multiplying vertically and crosswise, and this plus sign indicates that all like terms are to be added, simultaneously added. Okay, we start. Step number 1. Forgetting about the second term, we concentrate on the first pair. 1 into 2, 2x square. Then in the second term, we will definitely get a coefficient of x square, that is to be added, 3 into 1. So what is the first step? 1 into 2 plus 3 into 1, that is 2 plus 3 x square equal to 5x square. So how we get 5? By adding simultaneously the multiplication of 1 into 2 and 3 into 2, which generates x square term in both the terms. Now we come to the first cross. In the first pair, 1 into 5 plus 3 into 2, then plus 3 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Why we are taking the crosses like this? Because we want to get the coefficient of x. From the first term it is 5 plus 6, and from the second term it is 6 plus 1. We add them. So finally we get 5 plus 6 plus 6 plus 1 x, that is equal to 18x. Now the third step is vertical multiplication of the last terms in both the cases, and then add simultaneously. It is 3 into 5 plus 1 into 2, that is 15 plus 2, that is 17. So whole addition and multiplication directly generates the answer 5x square plus 18x plus 17 without individual multiplication of x plus 3 into 2x plus 5 first, then 3x plus 1 into x plus 2 second step, and then add. So what we have done is, again the same idea of multiplication is extended to 2 terms, 3 terms. Only thing is, again we will take care of the like terms and then add or subtract. Coming to the second example. Example number 2 is 7x minus 1 into 3x plus 4 plus x minus 3 into 6x plus 1. We write 7x minus 1 into 3x plus 4, one below another, then plus term x minus 3 into 6x plus 1. We start with vertical multiplication from left to right. First step, 7 into 3, 21, plus 1 into 6. That gives 21 plus 6, 27x square. I repeat, 7 into 3 plus 1 into 6, that is 27x square. Then coefficient of x are to be collected from the product. 7 into 4, 28, plus minus 1 into 3, minus 3, plus 1 into 1, 1, and then plus minus 3 into 6, that is minus 18. So total 4 terms which we get are 28 minus 3 plus 1 minus 18. Final answer 8x. When we add and subtract the terms, we will get 8x. And the last one, minus 1 into 4, vertical multiplication, minus 4, plus 3 into 1, that gives minus 4 minus 3, that is equal to minus 7. So answer of the sums of the products of the given polynomial is 27x square plus 8x minus 7. Now please note one thing. From left to right, we have done the calculations. We can perform the calculations from right to left in the similar way, like this. Here, first minus 3 into 1, then plus minus 1 into 4. That will give minus 7. Then 1 into 1, minus 3 into 6, plus 4 into 7, plus minus 1 into 3. So again we will get 8. And in the end, 1 into 6, plus 7 into 3. So there is no harm in moving from right to left or from left to right, but we will have a practice of left to right, so that again highest degree term will be the first one and followed by the lower degree terms up to constant. Coming to the third example. Here there are three multiplications. 3x plus 4 into x plus 3, first term, plus 2x minus 1 into 3x plus 1, and minus x plus 2 into x plus 5. One is added, another is subtracted. So first multiplication of the like terms, add and then subtract. Now step number 1. Let us start with you.
3 into 1.
3 into 1. Slowly. 3 into 1. Yes. Plus
2 into 3.
2 into 3. Yes. Minus
1 into 1.
1 into 1. That means 3 plus 6 minus 1 x square,
That is
8x square. You please. Second now. Collect all the terms, coefficient of x in every term very carefully. Okay, start.
3 into 3.
Yes.
Plus 1
Plus
into 4.
1 into 4. Yes. Plus
2 into 1.
2 into 1. Plus
minus 1 into 3.
minus 1 into 3. Yes. Minus
1 into 5.
1 into 5.
Minus.
Yes. Minus
2
into 1. Don't call plus. Please note that here it is minus. So minus 1 into 5 and again minus 2 into x. Don't call it plus, because we have a practice of 3 into 3 plus 4 into x. But because there is a minus sign behind the multiplication term, we will say minus 1 into 5 minus 2 into 1. So finally we get 9 plus 4 plus 2 minus 3 minus 5 minus 2, that is 5x. The last one, step number 3.
4 into 3.
4 into 3
Plus minus 1 into 1.
Yes.
Minus 2 into 5.
That
is 12.
4 into 3, 12.
Then minus
1 into 1, minus 1.
Then minus 10.
Minus 2 into 5, minus 10. So 12 minus 1 minus 10.
1.
That gives 1. Final answer 8x square plus 5x plus 1. Now you will realize from this example that this particular method or this particular sutra, vertically and crosswise, helps us in finding the direct answer without evaluating individual multiplication, 3x plus 4 into x plus 3, then add to that 2x minus 1 into 3x plus 1, and then find x plus 2x plus 5 and then subtract. So all that time is saved and we will get the answer very easily than what we used to do in our regular periods. Okay, so answer is 8x square plus 5x plus 1. We come to this now. In this example, you will observe that the terms are 2x plus y into 3x minus y, first term, plus x plus y into 2x minus 3y, minus 3x plus 2y into x minus 2y. We write the structure as usual, multiplication one below another, in between them plus and minus. Now we start counting. Yes,
So
first, only first step.
Okay. That is 2
into 3, 6, 6, all that
plus
6, huh?
plus 1 into 2,
1 into 2, 2,
minus 3 into 1,
yes, minus 3.
That
So, without writing 2 into 3, 1 into 2, 3 into minus 1, you can mentally calculate and directly write this step like this. 2 into 3, 6, 1 into 2 plus 2, minus 3 into 1, minus 3. That gives 6 plus 2 minus 3x square, that is equal to 5x square. Okay, next one.
So 2 into minus 1.
2 into minus 1 minus 2, call
Minus
that
2,
way.
minus
2
2.
into minus 1 minus 2. Then next,
1 into 3, that is 3.
that is 3, yes. Plus,
1 into minus 3, that is minus 3.
minus 3, yes.
Then 1 into 2, that is 2.
2, yes.
Then minus
Minus,
3 into minus 2, that is minus 6. Then again it is plus 6.
yes, minus minus plus 6, yes.
Plus 6. Then minus 2. 1 into 2, that is minus
1
2.
into 2 into minus 2.
That will,
So we get minus 2 plus
plus
3 minus 3 plus
plus
2
2
plus
plus
6
6
minus 2. In all 4 xy. Remember it is xy now because we are collecting the coefficients of xy. 2x into y, that becomes 2xy. So we get the answer 4xy. And then the last one,
Sir, 1 into minus 1.
1 into minus 1, that is minus 1.
Sir, 1 into minus 3, that is minus 3.
Yes,
And sir, minus of minus 2 into 2, that is plus 4.
plus 4. So we get minus 1 minus 3 plus 4, that's 0. So answer is 5x square plus 4xy plus 0y square. In all the 4 examples, one thing is common. The terms are likely distributed. No term is missing, no term is additional. Rule remains the same. If in this case x plus 3 we get any additional term, then that is to be adjusted in the next, and same 0 0 are to be added here, so that all the crosses are equally distributed and equally balanced, so that we will not make any mistake in cross multiplication and then addition. So you have to take that much care. Let us come to the fourth example. It is x square plus x plus 3 multiplied by x square plus 2 plus 2x square plus 1 into x square plus 3x plus 2. Now we observe that while we write x square plus x plus 3 multiplied by x square plus 2, we write x square plus 0x plus 2, just to balance the crosses. Then plus, it is 2x square plus 1. Instead of that we write 2x square plus 0x plus 1 multiplied by x square plus 3x plus 2. We will have the 5 steps to end multiplication and 3 crosses. Start. I start with the first. 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 into 1, 2. That gives 1 plus 2 power x to the power 4 equal to 3 times x to the power 4. Now second one.
Second will be 1 into 0
0
plus 1 into 1.
all 1 into 0 0
Zero.
Plus
Plus 1 into 1 1.
1 yes
Plus 2 into 3 6.
6 yes
Plus 0 into 1 0.
0
That
so
will be
it is
1 plus
0
6
plus 1 plus 6 plus 0
7.
x cube that
X
is
cube.
7x cube. You please.
Then 1 into 2.
1
that is
into 2 yes 2
Then 1 into 1, that is 1.
where you are getting 1 into 1
Sir,
1 into 2
that
plus
is 2.
1 into 0
1 into 0.
1 into 0.
Yes.
Then
Then
1 into 3.
yes
That is 3.
3
Then 2 into
2 into 1
2 into 2.
And
2 into
2 into 2 4 yes
Then 0 into 3.
0 into 3 0
Then
and
1
then
into 1.
1 into 1 1 so you are getting 2 plus 3 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1 total 10
10.
so 10x square okay now you please next one coefficient of x
Sir, this is 1 into 2.
1 into 2 2
Then
yes
plus 3 into 0.
3 into 0 0
Plus
plus
0 into 2.
0 into 2 0
Plus 1 into 3.
1 into 3 3
Yes, 3.
that is 2
2
plus
plus
0
3 is
plus
5.
0 plus 3 that is 5x and in the end we get
So 3 into 2
3 into 2
plus 1 into 2.
1 into 2
That is 6.
that is 6 plus
plus
2
2, that is 8.
equal to 8 so answer is 3x to the power 4 plus 7x cube plus 10x square plus 5x plus 8 again I say that you can skip the steps you can work out the calculations mentally and start writing the answer 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1 3x to the power 4 and so on
Excuse me, sir.
yes
Sir, the coefficient of x we have taken 0.
0
And
x,
the next term have 3 as coefficient.
Yes,
Sir, if the second term has 0 as coefficient, then also should we have to add the 0 as coefficient?
it is better yes your doubt is exactly correct it is a better idea to add here 0 and here 0 if my example is 2x square plus 1 into x square plus 2 only I will get 2 terms here and I will get 3 terms here 3 terms are there so it is better to write 2x square plus 0x plus 1 here also and x square plus 0x plus 2 here also so that equal number of terms are there in between the plus sign existed and we will not make any mistake in calculations. If you can balance it properly, if you can collect the coefficients correctly without any mistake, then after practice you can skip. You can jump even without writing 2x square plus 1 and x square plus 2 without writing 0x and 3x, 0 x term, you can collect the terms coefficient wise correctly. The basic idea is you must be able to collect the coefficient power wise. X power of x is to be taken care of. Then whether you write or you don't write, that doesn't mean anything. Okay. We come to the next. Now the next two examples are again a different thing than what we have studied up till now. Here 3 binomials, I repeat binomials, but 3 are taken. Binomials means there are only 2 terms. Multiplication is expected of 2x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 7 multiplied by 3x plus 2 simultaneously with the help of sutra urdhvatiriyabhyam. Usually what we will do when we have a urdhvatiriyak sutra, even if we have a urdhvatiriyak sutra, we will carry the multiplication of 2x plus 1 into x plus 7 by urdhvatiriyak sutra. That will generate x square term. Then to multiply with that answer by 3x plus 2, we will write 0x square 3x plus 2 and again carry. That is one way. But even that is not necessary. See how to get the answer. Step number 1, be very careful. You have to be very attentive while collecting the coefficients. 2x into x into 3x. That is 2 into 1 into 3, 6x cube. That is very easy to observe, nothing special. Similarly, the 1 into 7 into 2, 14. That is very easy to observe. But what about the coefficient of x square and x? That is a basic and very important point to note. See how we start with. We start with upper number 1. I want to collect coefficient of x square. See what I am doing. 1 into 3. I repeat, 1 into 3. So what I have done, when I select one, I delete the coefficient of x in the corresponding same term. 1 into 1 into 3. So cross is taken this way, 1 into 1 into 3. That gives 3. Okay. Next, I select 7. Now I want the coefficient of x square. So I will do 7 into 2 into 3. That is quite clear. Repeat, 7 into 2 into 3. That gives 42. When I select 2, I will write 2 into 1 into 2. I will get 4. So 3 plus 42 plus 4, that gives 49. Naturally x square, because I am multiplying 2 terms simultaneously and not the 3 terms. Only 2 terms. Okay. Now coefficient of x, instead of starting from 1, I will start from 2. I will get 2 into 7 into 2. Now you will be able to get the answer correctly. 2 into 7 into 2, that gives 28. Okay. Then what? I select 1. 1 into 1 into 2, that is 2. Then I select 3 into 7 into 1, I get 21. So 28 plus 2 plus 21, that gives 51. So crosses are over. I got the coefficient of x cube, I got answer for x square, I got coefficient of x. Now the vertical multiplication of all 3 in the end, 1 into 7 into 2, that gives 14. So answer is 6x cube plus 49x square plus 51x plus 14. Let us see one more example of the same type where 3 binomials are considered. 4x minus 1 multiplied by 3x plus 5 multiplied by x minus 2. Let us start with you.
Sir,
First term,
Sir, 4 into 3 into 1.
1. Yes, that is 12x cube.
Sir.
Wait, now you please.
And then the second.
I select minus 1. Okay.
That will be minus 1
Huh.
into 3 into 1.
Into 1. Yes, that is minus 3.
3.
Complete that.
Plus
Then select 5.
Into 4 into 1.
Into 1.
That is plus 20.
Plus 20. Yes.
Then plus minus 2
Minus 2
into 4 into 3.
into 3.
That
is
will be minus 24.
minus
24.
4. So final answer minus 3
minus 4
plus 20
minus 7x cube.
minus 24, that is minus
Minus
7x
7x
square. Okay. Now you.
Then 4.
We select 4 because I want to collect the coefficient of x. Okay. 4
into 5.
5
into minus 2.
into minus 2,
That is
minus 40.
Then
Yes.
we collect 3
3
into minus 1
into minus 1
into minus 2
into minus 2, that is plus 6.
plus 6.
Yes. And then 1
into
minus 1 into 5,
that is minus 5.
minus 5. So minus 40 plus 6 minus 5, that is minus 39. Now in the end, last multiplication.
Minus 1
Minus 1
into plus 5
into plus 5
into minus
into
2
minus 2
is equal to 10.
plus 10. Yes. So answer is 12x cube minus 7x square minus 39x plus 12. So in this way, this particular sutra can be extended to many cases. And all the rules which we have studied earlier are to be followed here. If variables are different, if powers in the variables are different, then all like terms are to be only multiplied and not added. So the basic idea remains the same. Collect the like terms, add them. If you don't find any term which is similar to previous term, keep it as it is and go for the next cross. So in this way, we can apply this vertically and crosswise sutra, not for the multiplication and sums and products of 2. It may be 3, 4, 5, 6. Similar rule goes. Not necessary that the problem should contain only 2 terms. It may contain 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. We will require that much number of crosses. But for this case, last 2 examples, today we have only studied a case of a binomial. When there are three terms like x square plus 2x plus 3 multiplied by another second degree term multiplied by another second degree term, then number of crosses and the complexity of that crosses naturally increases, because our highest degree polynomial will be of order 6. So I have to correct x to the power 6, then x to the power 5, then x to the power 4. The problem will become little complex. We will study those cases next time. So what we have studied in this case, that it is not necessary to multiply individually when many polynomials are added or subtracted. You can perform the calculations without individual multiplication and in a very easy manner, and that too very, very speedily than what we used to do regularly. Okay, followed? Thank you.